Hi, in this video we are going to see the university's recruitment notifications. Here I am going to show you the recruitment notifications from the two universities, and the two are government universities only. And here the lecturer as well as assistant professor vacancies are announced from this advertisement, guys. And here the opportunities are there, only postgraduates also opportunities are there, and the PG plus UGC net also opportunities are there. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government faculty job notifications. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And for the lecturer positions, the salary mentioned is 36,000 rupees per month, and coming to the assistant professor, they did not mention. Okay, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Coming to the present content of the video. So the first one is the University of Kerala from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, India. So from this university, here we got the two recruitment notifications, guys. We will see the first one, and it is dated on 7th July 2021. The notification is regarding online applications are invited for the post of assistant professors on contract basis in Malayalam, English, Mathematics, Physical Science and Sanskrit at various Kerala University colleges of teacher education. And coming to the vacancies, for each and every subject one vacancy is there, and the qualification of the post is PG degree in the concerned subject with minimum 55% of marks, and the 5% of marks at the master degree level shall be allowed to candidates as a relaxation who belongs to SC, ST and the OBC category and differently able. And M.Ed degree with minimum 55% of marks must be there, and the net in education also must be there. And the candidates who have obtained the PhD degree, they are exempted from passing the net qualification. And the candidates who have passed their qualifying examination from the universities other than University of Kerala shall produce a eligibility certificate. And those who are eligible for community reservations should submit their necessary documents. Age limit should not exceed 50 years. A scale of pay is 19,240 to 34,500 rupees per month. And application fee is 250 rupees and 100 rupees for SC, ST candidates. The last date of submission is 23rd July 2021. And the mode of submitting the application is through online only, and here the online link is also provided, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Fine. So these are all the few more instructions are given here, so you may check down, guys. If you are facing any problem at the time of filling up of this online application form, here the contact number is provided, and here the mail ID is also provided, so you may contact to them, or else you may put your query as a mail to them. Fine. And while coming to the next notification from the University of Kerala, that you may check down here. Applications are invited from the qualified candidates only. The name of the department is botany, okay, and the name of the post is lecturer. Remuneration 36,000 rupees per month, and the two posts are there, contract basis for 11 months, and age limit is not more than 40 years. And the qualification required is master's degree in botany or equivalent degree with minimum 55% of marks, and net or PhD must be there. Application fee is 275 rupees and 120 rupees for the SC, ST category. And here the recruitment link is also given. The last date of receipt of application is 14th July 2021. Okay. And all the candidates should have valid email ID, well, because the communication maybe happens through the email ID only, mail only. So all the communications, including the memo for the interview, appointment order, rejection mode memo, will be sent through email only. And the candidate should produce all certificates or documents in original along with self-attested copies at the time of interview. And here the contact number as well as the mail ID is also provided. So if you are facing any problem at the time of filling up of the online application form, then, or else if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact or else put your mail to this one. Fine. So it is the one university, guys, that is University of Kerala. And coming to the another one is the University of Delhi. So from University of Delhi, here we got online application form for appointment of guest faculty at NCWEB for the academic session 2021 to 22. Fine. So here the online application form is there, and the last date of filling up of this online application form is July 30th, 2021. Okay, and while coming to the detailed notification, I did not get from the official website, so that's why if you click on the online application form here, then you will be directed to this form, guys. So I will show you whatever the subjects are there, whatever the departments are there, whether the PhD or the net is mandatory or not. I will show you all these things in this online application form itself. So It is application form to participate in the teaching program on Saturdays, Sundays and academic breaks for BA, BCom, MA and MSc Mathematics for academic session 2021. So here I will show you the list of the subjects, guys. If you just click on the both, click on the both means if you're applying for UG classes, you can click on this one, and if you're applying for the PG classes, you can click on this one. But why I chosen both here, that I want to show you the whatever the subjects are there regarding this recruitment. Okay, to show that one, I just clicked on the both. So commerce, English, mathematics, environmental science, Hindi, history, mathematics, OMSP, political science, Punjabi, Sanskrit, any other. Okay, so if you belongs to any one of the, for example, if you belongs to commerce, just click on that one and then start filling up of the first name, last name, date of birth, category, gender, mobile number, email ID, residential address, okay, permanent address, fine. And you want to apply for the guest teacher or else the retired teacher. Okay, mostly you are the guest teacher only. Okay, and what are the different academic qualifications and any research experience? Are you availing any full-time fellowship? Okay, just like that, scroll down. And coming to the net certificate, here the star mark is there, but no problem. If you don't have the net, if you're having only post graduation, select the no. Okay, and ad hoc panel category and the panel number, year, okay, and the teaching experiences if any. Okay, so all these things you have to fill up and upload the photo, a caste category certificate, and ad hoc panel scanned copy. Okay, for the ad hoc panel scanned copy means you can register from the website itself, guys. So here upload the UG certificate, PG certificate, MPhil, PhD, and upload the net certificate. So if you observe here, uploading the PG certificate up to here only the star mark is given. MPhil, PhD, net certificate, teaching, research, and all these things are not given the star marks. That means for this post, these are not the mandatory. That means even though if you don't have the teaching experience or the research experience, that means if you are a PG fresher, whatever to the in the subjects whatever I shown you right now, you can apply for this one, guys. Okay, and upload all these things, click on this one and then click on the continue. Okay, so these are the two different recruitment notifications. One is from University of Delhi and another one is from the University of Kerala. Fine. So to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.